Good morning. We've got another dry, warm and sunny day today ahead of us, albeit the sunshine across much of England and Wales hazier than it has been. Any spots of rain this morning should dry up quite quickly. I'll have more in about half an hour. Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Lou. Good morning to you as well. Beautiful start to the day, as you can see in Norfolk. Look at that lovely sky. Now, yesterday the top temperature was 26.6 Celsius, so knocking on the door of 27 in Teddington. Today, we won't be too far off that in parts of the southeast of England. And in fact, for the next few days, it is going to remain dry for most of us. There's some spots of rain in the forecast, and it'll be warm or very warm. Now, high pressure is still in charge of our weather. We've got this weather front, which has been sinking slowly southwards through the course of the night. It's bumping into that high pressure and weakening all the time. But it does mean first thing this morning, there's a fair bit of cloud around, especially northern England through Wales, parts of Northern Ireland, producing the odd spot of rain. That won't last. This front sinks farther south. And then behind it, it will brighten up for northern England, parts of Wales, Northern Ireland, and the cloud we have in Scotland also breaking up. Might find a wee bit of coastal fog around some of the coast, but it shouldn't be too problematic. Temperatures today ranging from 12 in Lerwick to 25 or 26 in the southeast. Now, through this evening and overnight, eventually that weak weather front with its cloud makes it down into southern and southeastern England and the Channel Islands. Behind it, we've got some clear skies, variable amounts of cloud, and then there's the first signs of our next front coming in from the west, introducing cloud across Northern Ireland and western Scotland. And by the end of the night, we could well see some rain from that in Northern Ireland. Not going to be a cold night, although cooler in the north than the night just gone. For tomorrow, while high pressure is still very much with us, this is the front coming in by the end of the night, moving northwards, taking its cloud and some rain with it, again through parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Come south, we're under brighter skies, particularly the Midlands and also Wales. We could see a little bit of low cloud coming in at times across that far southeastern corner, coastal corner of England. Now, temperatures tomorrow, 12 again in Lerwick, 17 in Belfast, 24, 25 as we come down towards the south. But then it starts to warm up for all of us, and you can see high pressure drifts eastwards. We pull in all this continental air across our shores and the ambers return. So on Thursday itself, a lot of dry weather, fair bit of sunshine, a little bit of cloud in the east could produce the odd shower, and at times there'll be a wee bit more cloud across parts of Scotland, but still that hazy sunshine. And these are the temperatures: 21 in Glasgow, 26 in Cardiff. Lou and Dan.
Gosh, some people...
More of the same. Good morning, everybody. The sunshine in England and Wales today, though, will be a wee bit hazier than it has been in the last couple of days. But look at this sunrise in Paynton and Torbay from one of our weather watchers. Now, for the next few days, it is going to remain dry for most of us, and it will still be sunny and warm, and by the weekend, for some, very warm. But today, high pressure is still firmly in charge of our weather. We've got a weak weather front sinking south into it. That's producing a fair bit of cloud at the moment and also some spots of rain. But the rain won't last, and it's going to continue to slip southwards. For Scotland, you've got some cloud this morning as well, but that will break up. We'll have some sunshine, but already sunny skies across parts of Fife and Lothian and the borders, Dumfries and Galloway. And the same too for Northern Ireland. Any cloud you have continuing to break up. But for Northern England, for Wales, for the North Midlands, we've got the cloud. South of that, we're back into sunnier skies. Now, that weather front producing the cloud will continue to sink south through the day, again turning the sunshine hazy in doing so, but it will brighten up later across Wales, also Northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland. Temperatures ranging from about 12 in the far north to 25 in the far south, and still quite breezy across the Northern Isles. Now, through this evening and overnight, that weather front eventually does make it down towards the south. Behind it, some clear skies, but by the end of the night, what you'll find is the next weather front's coming in, introducing some cloud, and by the end of the night, some rain into Northern Ireland. There'll also be some fog to watch out for tonight across South Wales and southwest England, but it's not going to be a cold night, although it will be cooler in the north compared to the night just gone. So the fog that we have in South Wales and southwest England slowly lifting tomorrow, and then a lot of dry weather, once again a lot of sunshine. We have this showery rain moving through Northern Ireland, getting into western Scotland, and a little bit more cloud at times along this east coast. Top temperatures tomorrow, 25. The headlines are next. Morning, everyone. You know, this morning we've seen some beautiful sunrises, and some of us will have a dry and a sunny day. But for the next few days, that is actually going to be the forecast. If you want rain, There's not much of it around at all, and it's going to be warm or very warm for some by the time we get to the weekend. Now today, high pressure is firmly in charge of our weather. We've got this weak weather front slipping into it, and as it does so, any rain in it will continue to dry up, and all it's going to do through the afternoon is turn the sunshine hazy as it continues its descent south. Won't arrive in the far south of England until tonight, and as it slips in towards the Midlands, Wales and the far southwest, it will brighten up in North Wales, Northern England, Northern Ireland and also Scotland. Now, it's still quite breezy across the far north of Scotland. For the rest of us, we've got gentle breezes and temperatures 12 in Lerwick, 17 in Aberdeen and Belfast, and we're looking at 21 in Cardiff to 25 in London. As we head through the evening and overnight, here comes that front heading down towards the south. We'll also see some fog patches form across South Wales and southwest England. Excuse me. And by the end of the night, a weather front approaching from the west will introduce more cloud across Northern Ireland and western Scotland. And by the end of the night too, we'll start to see some of that rain getting into Northern Ireland. A cooler night in the north than the one just gone, still mild as we push further south. Now, for Wednesday and into Thursday, high pressure is still very much with us. But on Wednesday, you can see our weather front continues to bring its cloud and its patchy rain in across western areas, and it will eventually cross, not bringing much rain with it in doing so. The other thing is a lot of dry weather around, bits and pieces of cloud from that front in the south, turning the sunshine hazy. And we'll see a bit of low cloud or mist and sea fog coming in across the southeast corner on the coast itself. Here, temperatures in Norwich 19, highs in Cardiff 25, and in Aberdeen we're looking at 15. It's going to get warmer though. You can see on Wednesday how we've got the oranges and the ambers turning that bit darker across the land as we head into Thursday, indicating the rise in the temperature. So on Thursday, a lot of dry weather, a lot of sunshine. We say goodbye to our weather front. Eventually it pushes into the North Sea with its splashes of rain. A lot of dry weather with temperatures getting up to 25 or 26 degrees. Lou and Dan.
Oh,